brought my hot water into my work area. I just have it sitting here on my table so I can occasionally just dunk this head again as I'm working on it. But I'm finding these pliers work well if you just grab several hairs and just kind of do a rolling motion. And there, I got a lot out. Where if you're taking it out plug by plug, the tweezers are probably your best tool. Also, the next time I have learned here, I see on this part line, I mean, there's a lot of hair rooted in there, and it seems like these pliers work better. I would leave the hair a little bit longer so you can actually grab it and get a hold of it. And that is a big pile of hair coming out of there. Now, I'm not going to work around the face just yet, and here's why. It's easy when you're putting a lot of pressure on something to slip, so I'm going to tape this face up with paper towels before I work in that area, and that's just always a good thing to do to protect your painting and on your face. But oh yes, this is making life so much easier here with the pliers and just this rolling motion. But some of the plugs are still going to have to be pulled out one by one, and as the head starts to cool down, then that doesn't want to release the hair as easily. And like I said, I have my pot of water here, and I'm just dipping that in when it starts to put up too much resistance. But it's going to be a job still, but we're getting there.